And so, heaven learned the cost of choice.
Is obedience faith or fear?
By the grace of the highest, let the trumpet sound to victory!
Some lands could not recover. Power does not make you right.
Ánh sáng không phải lúc nào cũng chiến thắng, nhưng ta sẽ giữ nó sống sót.
Fear not. The path is clear now. Come, follow me to safety.
Ta chiến đấu không phải để chiến thắng người, mà để bảo vệ những gì còn lại. Lucifer, vẫn chưa quá muộn. Ngươi không cần phải rơi vào bóng tối.
We were created to choose, not to kneel. I stand where I was commanded, and where mercy still breathes. Hold the line. Do not let the void consume the light.
Một ngày nào đó, thiên giới sẽ hiểu.
Forever bound by these laws, we swear allegiance to the light.
Freedom without purpose becomes ruin.
Then let history remember who chose mercy. Then heaven will endure, even if it must bleed. If this is the cost of faith, I will pay it. I would save you, if I still could. Then kneel or burn with the rest.
This war was never meant to be fought for obedience, but for truth.
Still standing between heaven and truth, Raphael?
Enough! Enough!
Dies irae, dies illa, calamitatis et miseriae. Then let heaven remember who dared to stand. You would chain your own brother?
Why save me when the war is lost?
No soul is ever lost while mercy remains. Healer, you should have stayed behind the wounded.
And so, words gave way to destiny.
And so, words gave way to destiny.
And so, words gave way to destiny.
Cuộc chiến đã kết thúc, nhưng số phận thiên giới thì chưa.
Truth does not demand rebellion.
May mercy follow you where I cannot.
Questioning is not rebellion. Refusing humility is. Then let ruin decide who was right. Strength, born as hatred, always devours itself. History is written by those who dare.
We were born in light, yet forbidden to question it.
Even mercy can become a weapon.
According to the prophecy, the world would be divided into 3 realms, one swallowed by darkness.
A black rain spread over lands once protected by light.